Welcome to episode 10 of Road Ready. Regardless of what you drive, a diesel or gasoline-powered vehicle can benefit from routine service, tuning, and tire care. Most vehicles now on the road have electronic fuel and spark management, and one of the primary gains with EFI has been maximizing fuel efficiency. Coinciding with low emissions goals, EFI helps maintain optimal air-to-fuel ratios. For modern vehicles sold with U.S. EPA approval, the factory EFI, the automatic or manual transmission, and the axle gearing will maximize fuel mileage. Leaving aside the modifications that impact fuel mileage like racing software and chassis changes, the engine requires little more than good maintenance. Tuning for gasoline engines includes ignition distributor and spark plug changes, while diesel engines need good fuel and filter changes. Filters include both the air cleaner and the fuel filter on most vehicles. Some vehicles, like our Jeep Cherokee 4-liter, have a lifetime fuel filter at the fuel pump module. The air filter change is as frequent as the dirt exposure requires. Maintenance by the owner's handbook schedule helps, but as I share at Road Ready, driving in dusty conditions means frequent air cleaner changes. Check the air filter regularly for dirt and debris. Required general maintenance includes all of the items listed in the owner's handbook or a factory workshop manual. An important item for fuel mileage is correct tire inflation. Tire pressure should be checked after the vehicle has parked in the shade or a garage. I check our tires in the morning when the weather is cooler. When traveling on the open road, tire pressure can have a large impact on mileage. For original equipment size tires, use a sticker on the door frame as a guide for the tire pressure settings. On trucks, loading the bed or tongue weight at the trailer ball receiver will require adjustments to the tire pressure. If pulling a trailer, the trailer tires should be aired and checked regularly. Underinflated tires create drag and the risk of a blowout. Check the tire and wheel hub heat when stopped for fuel. For this chore, I use a non-contact infrared thermometer to avoid burning my fingers. Pack and adjust the trailer wheel bearings on schedule. Trailer brake drag will definitely lower fuel mileage and also create a safety hazard. Make sure the tow vehicle and trailer have wheel bearings that roll freely and safe brakes. Extra weight in a pickup bed, like unnecessary tools or equipment, will affect fuel mileage. Carry what you need and leave the rest home. I carry necessary extras at the trailer when towing. This becomes part of the rolling resistance load rather than part of the truck's weight. Make sure the air conditioner is working properly without needless draw. The compressor clutch needs to work properly. Use the air conditioner or defroster mode only when necessary. Check the compressor pressure to be sure it is normal. A clogged exhaust system can lower the fuel mileage. This includes the catalytic converters and mufflers. Back pressure at the tailpipe can be checked by a muffler shop or with diagnostic tools. Excess exhaust pressure is an often overlooked source of poor fuel economy, especially on higher mileage vehicles. Overall engine condition is important. An engine with abnormally low or uneven compression, a worn timing belt or chain, or dirty combustion chambers will get poor mileage. Engine testing and tune-up steps are discussed in the Road Ready episodes on diagnostics and tuning. An engine with low compression in one or more cylinders will benefit very little from an ignition tune-up. Injectors and fuel pump performance are key elements of EFI fuel efficiency. One subtle gain is to fuel your vehicle in the cool of morning. Gasoline and diesel fuel expand and vaporize, especially in the heat of summer. The U.S. EPA has required vehicle fuel vapor or EVAP recovery systems since the 60s. Pump nozzles have spray guards that have a minor effect on fuel vapor losses while fueling. All of us know the scent of fuel vapors when pumping fuel. Cooler temperature filling can reduce fuel vapor loss as you fill your tank. Whether you perform your own maintenance or sublet the maintenance to a shop, maintenance is a key element in fuel efficiency. Another important factor is driving technique, and in episode 11, I'll address that subject.